Am I back? Am I back? Am I back? Come on. Am I back? Should be back. It died. No, your bike died. Oh no, man. Okay, I'm back. It did. Oh, damn. Oh, and I forgot to stop my VPN, so it will trigger me messages all the time. Damn it. So the thing I wanted to do before I switched computer and it killed my internet was trying to drop. Okay, it's working. So the temp average was 11 Celsius the day, and it rained like crazy outside of that. It was amazing. Welcome back to the stream. I like that CB is welcoming me. And I land. Awesome. Thanks, CB. How are you? Yeah. Fuel is here, a friend of mine. Whoop. Sign up for a race in Sweden. Anyway, after the first 5 kilometers, I got stomach pain. Oh my god. Wow. Oh. Look like my screen is not refreshing. If I do deactivate, activate. That's better. Well, now you're back home. Hopefully it's better. Here today, that's why I was missing power. That's why I start late. And I'm planning to do camping, maybe biking during the weekend. Well, like before the weekend. And they announce shitty temperature, like storm and like water and a lot of stuff. So I'm like, ugh. But I have my daughter I need to play the taxi for my daughter, and it's about an hour drive from where she lives to where she want to go in the middle of the night. So I was like, well, I will go there because, you know, it's close to, I will go camp, install my camping stuff close to where she live, you know, 15-20 minutes. Then I will, during the day, I will do bike and stuff like that. Then I will go to her apartment, wait until she get back home, then drive her to the destination. It's about an hour, so it'll be an hour. So in 2 hours, I should be back. And instead of going back to her apartment, I said, because the boyfriend will be there, I was like, nah, that will be weird. Like, let's go camping, finish the night at the camping where my tent will be waiting for me. And the next day, well, there's like a super bike, they call that the green road, green path, forgot how they call that, green line. You know, it's big circuit of bikes. I was like, you know, I will have some fun. 3 days in a row, and like on Saturday I have something in the same area. So instead of, and it's 2 hours from my home. So it was like, you know, going there, having some fun and like coming back. but they announced rain and storm and thunderstorm and stuff, and I was like, you know, when like the little cloud on your weather app is like black. Like, well, I will do the one night, and in the morning I will decide, am I wrapping up, pushing everything, dripping water in my car, just like drive back home, or do I give it a try and like maybe it's, you know, when it's storm, it could pass, it go, and but like if it's all day, but it's just like, oh yeah, it's raining for an hour, then you know I can read a book for an hour, and after that, though everything will be wet depending on what I'm doing, if it's trail or I don't know, I need to check more. But anyway. Well, at least you got the medal, so you will be wearing it proudly on your next stream, Fragbird. It's incredible, man. 200 miles. Pretty good. Happy for you. Pretty happy for you. No, you need to wear your, at least put it close. If like depending on like it's not like, yeah. Probably leaving tomorrow, so I won't be watching any stream you do this week. Hopefully next time I see you stream, you have it close by, or send like, yeah, whatever. It's cool. I'm happy for you. That's cool. Yeah. Kanban board. This is Dev. Oh, I think, do we go here or do we go? I think we go with the ID because I want to see the code. So today I was really looking forward to. Oh, and by the way, I was showing the map earlier because I'm using the streamer map from Fritz. So if you want, you're invited to do exclamation point map and the city, or a city if you don't want to be really localized. And you will be tagged, will be pinned over there. I didn't see Fritz streaming this week, did I? I don't think I did. Maybe he's taking some time off. I don't know, so what's his future plan with this map? Like, you know, I say Montreal, it's not Montreal. Oh, so I can show, so.
Bonjour. Hi.
Oh, it's Charlie Dev. Hi. Hello, hello. The voice match on top
Bonjour.
of that.
Hi. How are you today?
I'm good today. We're back with power, so it's wonderful. Yeah, so I live on Il Perrot here. So I need to drive here. That's about 200 kilometers to Sherbrooke. That's where my daughter lives. I will be camping around here. So that's kind of quick because it's getting out of Montreal is really, really long. So I need to pick her from here, drive her here to Drummondville, and then come back. That'll be fun. And then like the bike ride is from, if I zoom for the bike ride, apparently it's going from Waterloo and it's kind of going like this, going through the park here and going up. Whoops. Oh, in fact, I have something to show. Well, like it's just a line. Yeah, I thought it was a better card. yeah, that's what I found. But I won't do it all. And yeah, I've been told that it's pretty nice. So hopefully I have time to explore a little bit, but I feel it will be like a tease, and another day I will have to go back again and do that. And sturdy dev. So, sir, you have some access to Fred and the stuff happening on Code Rush stream, right? You can make you can make Fred say whatever you want and things like that. Music is a little bit low. Let's boost the music. New version available. Yeah, I know. I received an email, but I did some more. Oh, I can go bigger. That's why everybody was quiet, because they thought I was not there. Bonjour. Bonjour, bonjour. I know, yeah, I see lines moving up. Okay, so I was saying that I needed to drop the container for the database and that because the schema changed. So now this is done, we should be able to have our container. Great. That's not the latest version. That's not the latest version. Let's stop. Maybe I need to recompile. We did get the latest version, right? Yeah, dev. I'm on the good project. Kanban. Pull. Okay. Let's go back here again and let's build. Let's do a .NET first, .NET clean, and then .NET build. CB is just in fire. What's happening to you, buddy? It's just like. Okay, build succeed. No, build succeed. I say clean. Now build. Good, I'm good. Yeah, so I should be starting to work at my new job on the 29th. In fact, this morning, like not this morning, a few hours ago, when I had no power, because here it was a bunch of thunderstorm, and apparently like each time it rains or it winds or whatever, or raccoon decide to get suicidal and jump onto the transformator, we lost power. But my phone was like, hey, you got a mail. And for the background check, they need more information. And I was like, uh-oh, no, I want to reply quickly. I don't want to slow down anything. So hopefully, but man, it's the first time that I got asked so many questions for a background check. Usually just like, they asking a bunch of stuff. It's like, yeah. But this time they are asking a lot of questions. And like paper. Show me your pay slip from 2014. I was like, okay, let me check if I have that. That's a long time ago. Thanks for a digital version. This is not the latest version. I don't get it. It's a mix. That's weird. I don't get it. Okay, let's okay, so let me show you what I did, but there's stuff that I fixed or like AI fixed this morning and I don't see it here. So it's really weird. Hey Stony, how are you? So we have a Kanban board, as you can see, so and I want color, so that's just a demo with showing a bunch of colors. Oh, maybe because I need to log in. Okay, maybe that's why. So logged in is implemented, but I think we had that in the last time. So now if I go here, okay. But Teams, I thought it was, okay, so that's wrong. Whoa, spinning point, yes or no? What? More reward to spend point, yes, no. Oh, a pool. Yeah, but you can do your pool. Let's make it 5 minutes. Voila! So now, is it working? Is it working? Is it visible? I'm also having some kind of like weird. Was that better? Yeah. Okay, it's working. Oh no, it's worse. If I put that way, that's better, that's better. I'm doing not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. I got worried a little bit earlier because I lost power and like right now I'm like for my new job, I'm in the background check, security check time. So, and usually it goes super fast like a breeze. At some point recent, like in my previous job, I had like top secret level security, so you know I'm pretty clean. And but this time they asked a bunch of questions and I had no power, but my phone still catch data, right? So and then I receive an email say, hey, like we need more, you know, we need to validate something, it's not working, blah 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 blah. It's like, oh. And then I look and they were asking me for payslip to prove like a job. So I had to go back like 2014 and get a payslip. And I was like, oh boy, this is old. Okay, so it's weird that the Teams is there. Like I'm pretty sure we'll investigate. So, but we have Teams. So now we can have like light mode, dark mode, Tokyo Night, since Omachi, I love Tokyo Night. I have Capucine Dark, I have Capucine Light, Solarized Dark, Solarized Light. Not too bad as a light version, though the text here is hard to read a little bit. Whoops, spoiler, no, I don't want to show that right now. And we have Synthwave 84. So those are the colors we have, and now we can drag and drop, so we can move cards, right? If we click on it, I did change so many things, and it's all there again. You can change the category, you can change the column. If you, like a specific category has a specific color, and then you can add tags if you want. You can change the color. So let's say it was kind of like a green, so let's make it like dark purple. I can put an image. Do I have image on this computer? If I go picture, I have no clue what it is. So let's drag this here. So you can put image on there. You have a public description, and you have a private description, and then you can save it. So now you see the image. All the tags. Oh, that's. No, category has color tags. That's what happened. Like I did a lot of refactoring, so I guess I pretty neat that. Well, it's nothing compares to yours still. That was all kind of like, hey, do this, and I didn't look. Right now I'm just trying to have some stuff in place, and I want to clean it up after, kind of like, you know, chop what I don't like, fine tune the things, but I'm just trying to have features so it gives me ideas on what I like and what I don't like, because initially it was like, I want a board. Yeah. So you could do that. Obviously, you could add new columns if you want. Card, I mean, if you go here in the, that's the name of the board. You can click settings here. You can change the board by test board. You can make it public. You could use a custom color if we want. So we could go and put some kind of like maybe a weird blue. Voila. Then you have the columns. You could decide, oh, what you want. So maybe pending, there's nothing anyway, so we could remove it. Maybe to do is the first column. And now we have that weird color. To do is the first. Pending went away. What? Sir, you have a day job. What? No mercy is my day. I don't have a day job right now. Well, my wife gave me a lot of tasks, but I was like, no. I have a day job soon. Now I'm still no day job. Wait, I understand what you mean. 99 to 0, it's settle. That wasn't Ellie. Oh, yeah, let's check that. Oh yeah, how many people vote? You and who? Also, you spend a lot of points. $99. So only you vote then. That's what I understand. Any other people in the chat who vote? I'm sure even CB didn't vote. Oh, I should have put something like 1,000, like your fucking feathers. I said that. I shouldn't say that on my stream. I save those for your streams. The F-bomb and everything. Okay, what else? Yeah, so category. You can set category. In the category, let's say bugs. We want the bugs to be like red. So now the category bugs when we go in the board. So here it's not working. If I do a refresh, okay, not work. So bug, do we have a bug? Yeah, so it's red. It's the tour, the, how do you call that? The border that is red. It's kind of like, and if you, for a column, if I go here and I go columns, and let's say to do, I want to change to do, and I want to put the color for to do. Oh, it was already with a color. So let's put white. I think it's just the border again. Yeah, it's just this. That's not what I want. But, you know, we're getting there. I think it would be cool to have like kind of like a transparency grade, like, so we could decide, okay, I put this column like whatever, and then like you said, the transparency, so you let things go through. Did you say? Yeah, I did, but don't say it to anybody. Okay, don't say it. Well, I was saving all my points to make the computer say no stuff. You know, I really waited a long time to be able to say that, by the way. Yeah, indeed, CB. You can say that. I've been trained with Microsoft to be super inclusive and nice, and I think honestly it's great to be inclusive and respectful and stuff. It's really close to me anyway in real life. But yeah, the thing is, for me, the probably the same for you, Stony, since you're Dutch, right? The F-bomb is not as heavy as it is for us than for native English people. I think that's my understanding. Okay, so in the last job I asked to do, so I'm not sure why it didn't work, but I asked to have a setting page, move the category in that setting, move the theme in that setting, and it's not working. But that one was in the same where we spent a lot of time on this, and this is there. So it's really weird. But I think I want to, although teams, maybe we keep it there, because you could want to pick a different team. My glasses are, I have so many lights here that if there's a smudge, then it's just awful. I don't know. Okay, that's better. Ah, I can see now. Yeah. And sorry if you think I was saying you're not inclusive. You are better at it than me. So I honestly, do we want category by board? No, I think category should be global. I can see clearly now, the smudge is gone. It's all metrical. It was cloudy before. Okay, so this is it. So things that still bugs me. That menu is awful. And I asked for it to change it, and it did a really bad job at it. Like, it's all weird. Like, what is it again? This? See, like, when I mouse over the menu, the hamburger menu, like the hamburger menu is here, and then the highlighted zone is there. It's offset. That's ugly. Whiteboard is pushed. I don't know. It should be in line, and then here, it's not even on the same line. And I was trying, okay, let's put some, I don't know, maybe it's number. I need something because when we collapse, like here it should be the board, and after that it should be like all the boards, so you could quickly change without expanding the menu. And I think category, I will move it to a settings page, but I thought I did it. I thought we did that, and I think I asked teams should be moved over there in that. So I'm curious to understand why. It's gonna be expensive freaking day. How come? Planning to buy some merch, new PC, or you need to start. You get. Continue the song. Wow. Okay, I don't know that song. I read it like multiple times. I don't know that song. Sorry. Or maybe you are the author of that song, so you're just like having fun writing lyrics. Oh, so maybe. Oh, it's there. It's not done yet. Okay. It's not done yet. So edit category should be go there, and then the teams. Move the edit category and the team. I think I don't want to move the teams then, because I like, if the thing is I didn't like this. That's weird. There's always a color that stick, and I don't know why. See, now it's purple, and now if I go light, it will be light with purple. So I kept the accent or whatever. Forgive me. It's all good. I don't hear you singing. It's when I hear you singing that is. I shouldn't be roasting you. I'm not on your stream. Yeah, so if you're joining that page, like, you won't be able to sign in. The goal is for you to be able to see some data. I think it would be cool if you could also change the team. So I think teams must stay up there. Yeah. So what we can do here is, let's open another terminal. I don't have anti-gravity here like that, the CLI. Well, I can do it with another one. So let's do open code. I just wanted to update the work item while we do other things. So what was the work item number? 47. What was it again? 47? Okay, so I did that. So the other work item are, we need comments. Multiple images. I think multiple we could do with that setting page. We should be able to add multiple image. Because right now there's only one image and it shows, and I think that was nice, so we could use one as kind of like a featured image, and the other, when you expand it, oh, there's something also where, yeah, that's okay. So for you, you only see this. Am I missing some work item? I always say work item issues. Oh, that's the one I want first. Yeah, so I want views. So when we look at it, it's kind of the summary. So it's the public, like the first few lines of the public, the description. If there's a feature image, we see it, the tags, whose is assigned, stuff like that. But when we click on that, but I need to be authenticated. Let's go, Frank. So when we are authenticated, like I don't want to see that big picker and like description. I shouldn't have to scroll. They should be up and stuff like that. And it should be like, I want to read it. And after that, when we have a clean view of that,